purchase. This is going to be a quick walkthrough on how to update the colors in the name. I'll just go ahead and kind of show you how to edit this name altogether. So for this purpose, you'll see this may look a little bit different, but ultimately you'll see all these different color backgrounds. For the sake of this video, I'm going to just use the purple as an example. So what we're going to do is click on the gradient. Make sure that the gradient is highlighted, not the mask, but the actual gradient. You'll come up here and you may have presets just for the length. I'm gonna go ahead and click a preset that I think looks kind of decent. It doesn't really matter, I guess. Okay. And now I'm going to want to update the stroke as well. And let's see, and also the outer glow. For this one, I'm just gonna use the eyedropper tool and pick the purple that I like. All right, there you go. So you basically updated the color. So if you wanna update the name, you're gonna click here. This font you see is Railroad Gothic. So if you don't have that font, it obviously is not gonna look like this. Use whatever font you would like, or you could download that. I believe I got that from a website, if I'm not mistaken, a free website. So let's just give it a random name. Let's see. Let's do Kevin. Hello, if I could spell. Okay, Kevin. So I hit Command T because I am on a Mac, and that's gonna transform this. I made it larger. So now I'm gonna come over here and grab these items. This is, we will update this graduation cap. And this is grad cap shadow. Okay, so I'm going to want to grab, hello. These two. And I'm gonna just kind of bring it up here, make it fit on the K. There you go. So you would just proceed to save your file. Let's see here, and I should have this layer just to turn on. This box right here is probably your safe spot, so anything in there you know should print. Obviously you're going to want to move things over to make sure you know it fits according to your liking and your customer's liking. Thanks for watching.